Hello students, welcome to my e-learning class. In this video, I am solving case study of Elements of Costing 2016 question paper of Rani Chennamma University. The case study is question number 11 is compulsory as you look at the question paper content. Question number 11 is compulsory. It is case study 2016 question paper Elements of Cost. The case study is on labor cost. It is for 15 marks. Compulsory question, case study, 15 marks question. If you are not going to attempt this question, you will lose 15 marks. A very easiest chapter in elements of cost, that is labor cost. So just you have to remember the formula to solve the problem. Let us go through the problem. In a factory, the Halsey premium bonus plan is in use. That means already Halsey premium bonus plan is applicable to calculate the earnings of workers in a factory. Now the management desire to substitute it with the row 1 premium bonus plan. Now the management want to substitute it with the row 1 premium bonus plan. In spite of using the Halsey premium bonus plan, now the management want to introduce row 1 premium bonus plan to calculate the earnings of worker. So the following information is made available to you about the worker completing his job in less than the standard time allowed. Already it is given that worker is completing his job within the time limit given, within the standard time allowed. He is completing the work. So here is the information given. Time allowed per week of 6 days. Number of days worked is 6 days. Time allowed, which is in hours, 48 hours. That is standard time. That is time allowed. Time taken to complete a certain job is 40 hours. That is time taken. That means time saved is 48 minus 40. Therefore, 8 hours is the time saved. Rate per hour is 10. One of the easiest case study ever asked. So 15 marks are in your hand. Please watch this video carefully and try to solve the problem accordingly. Okay. So it is the information and what you are asked to do. Here are the questions asked to do. First is to calculate the earnings under both the plans, that is Halsey plan and row 1 plan, and compare both the plans. What were the benefits of Halsey plan and what are the benefits of row 1 plan? You have to compare both the plans. Second question is that, and advise the management whether or not to introduce the row 1 premium bonus plan with reasons. You have to compare both the plans and you have to say your reasons why we should introduce row 1 plan or why we should not introduce the row 1 plan. Okay. So now 2016 question paper case study. Calculation of earnings. You have to calculate the earnings under Halsey plan and row 1 plan. To calculate Halsey plan and row 1 plan, first you have to calculate the time saved. Time saved you have to calculate. Therefore, time saved is equal to standard time minus time taken. Standard time is given is 48 hours and time taken is 40 hours. So, time saved is 8 hours. Time saved is 8 hours. Next, earnings under. Second step is to calculate the earnings under Halsey plan. So, earnings under Halsey plan. Under a Halsey plan, earnings are calculated with this formula, that is time taken into time rate plus half of time saved into time rate. Okay. Time taken is 40 hours. Time rate is 10 rupee plus half time saved is 8 hours. Time rate is 10. Therefore, 40 into 10 is 400 plus half of 80 rupee. 8 into 10 is 80. Half of that is 40. Therefore, 400 plus 40 is 440 is the earnings under Halsey plan. Now, we are calculating earnings under row 1 plan. According to row 1 plan, we have to calculate earnings by using the formula of time taken into time rate. This remains same in Halsey and row 1 plan. Only bonus plan is different in Halsey and row 1. The basic pay is same. That is time taken into time rate plus time rate into time taken into time saved divided by time allowed. It is the relation of time taken to time saved divided by time allowed in row 1 plan. Therefore, time taken is 40 hours, time rate is 10 plus time rate is 10 again into time taken is 40 into time saved is 8 divided by time allowed is 48. Therefore, 400 plus 10 into, we have to substitute this answer. We have to simplify this answer. That is 40 into 8 divided by 48. We have to simplify it. The answer will be 6.67. Therefore, 400 plus 67, the earnings is 467. Under Halsey plan, earnings is 440. Under row 1 plan, earning is 467. So, your first question is answered to calculate earnings under both the plans. We have finished this. Next question is compare both the plans. Okay. So, let us compare both the plans. To compare both the plans, we have to look at the formula to calculate the earnings under both the plans. Under Halsey plan, earnings are calculated with a formula time taken into time rate. In both the plans, the basic wage is same, time taken into time rate. Here also we have time taken into time rate. Only bonus part is different. Here half of time saved is taken. Here the time taken in relation with time saved divided by time allowed is taken. So, in Halsey plan, the earnings are time taken into time rate plus half of time saved into time rate. Earnings under row 1 plan, time taken into time rate plus time rate into time taken is compared with time saved divided by time allowed. Okay. Now let us, in detail, we should look at how the Halsey plan is and how row 1 plan is. First, Halsey plan is very simple to understand because half of the time saved is taken to calculate. As compared with Halsey plan, row 1 plan is not so simple to understand because we are taking the time taken, time saved, time allowed. It is little bit complicated to solve the calculate the earnings. To calculate the earnings, little bit complication we will face. Okay, it will be in decimal. Decimal will be multiplied with the time rate. So, little bit complicated as compared with Halsey plan. I am talking here about only Halsey plan. We have to compare both the plans. So, as compared to Halsey plan, row 1 plan is little difficult. So, what is our answer? Not so simple to understand. Okay. Next comparison is bonus is 50% of wages of time saved. How we are paying the bonus? 50% of time saved. Okay. In row 1 plan, proportion of time wages which time saved bears to standard time. How we are taking it? Proportion of time wages. Proportion of time wages which time saved bears to standard time. That is time saved divided by time allowed, which is the proportion to time taken. Okay. We are calculating like that. Next, bonus is saved by employer and employee both because 50% is saved by employer and 50% paid to employee in Halsey plan. But in Rowan plan, but it is not shared equally with employer and employee. If we compare it with the Halsey plan, it is less beneficial to employer because calculation will be on the basis of the time saved bears to time taken. So it will be very less for employer when the time allowed or time saved is increasing. Okay. Next, bonus increases steadily with rise in efficiency. Bonus increases steadily with rise in efficiency. If time saved is more, the bonus will be more. In Halsey plan. In Rowan plan, increases rapidly up to 50%. Up to 50% it increases of time allowed. Thereafter, it start to decline. There is no difference in Halsey plan. If efficiency increases, the bonus will be increasing. But in Rowan plan, up to 50%, it will increase rapidly. After that, it start declining. In Halsey plan, quality of work suffer because the bonus is splitted into employer and employee. But in Rowan plan, it is more beneficial to the employee. Therefore, not such suffering to the workers because they are getting more wages under Rowan plan. Therefore, it is the comparison. Depending upon this, we are answering the third question, which is asked in the case study. The third question, advise the management whether or not to introduce the, if you are adopting this, you have to give the reason why you are adopting. If you are not adopting, then also you have to give the reasons. So, your answer will be no. Management should not introduce Rowan plan. Why? You are saying it for no, because you are asked to give the answer according to the management point of view. As a management, you have to decide whether you are adopting it or not. Management will adopt the plan which is very cheap for them or less costly for them. Therefore, they will adopt Halsey plan. What will be your answer then? No, management should not introduce Rowan plan. Why? Reason 1. Earnings under Halsey plan is 440 rupee. Earnings under Rowan plan is 467. Here is the answer. Halsey plan is less costlier than Rowan plan. You have to pay more of 27 rupee in Rowan plan to per worker. Per worker, you are bearing much of expenses in Rowan plan. Therefore, we are comparing the earnings under both the plans. Therefore, earnings under Rowan plan is more. That is 467 minus 440. That is 27 rupee more you have to pay a worker as compared to Halsey plan. Hence, it is more expensive to the management. What you have to say? It is more expensive to the management. Per worker, you have to pay more of 27 rupee. So, it is more expensive to the management. You have to compare both the earnings. Okay. Then you have to give the reason. More expensive to the management. It is the first reason. So, second reason is effective wage rate, which is based on effective wage rate. Okay. Effective wage rate is calculated with the help of the earnings which bears to time taken. Okay. Effective wage rate is equal to earnings divided by time taken. Under Halsey plan, earning is 440 and time taken is 40. Effective wage rate is 11. Effective wage rate is 11 under Halsey plan. Under Rowan plan, 67 is the earning and time taken is 40. So, effective wage rate is 11.675. 11.675. So, per hour, effective wage rate per hour is 11.675. 0.675 is more in Rowan plan. Okay, because earning is more. Again, comparing both the plans according to effective wage rate, Rowan plan is more expensive. Which plan is more expensive? Rowan plan is more expensive. Hourly rate is also more in Rowan plan. Therefore, management should not introduce Rowan plan, which is more expensive to the management. So, it should continue with the Halsey plan. It is your conclusion. You have to solve the problem like this only. Stepwise, you have to solve the problem. First, you have to solve the earnings. There, you have to compare both the plans. Which plan is good? Then, you have to give your decision with reasons. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for further updates. Thank you.